Besifana amajita man but izinto khange zambe ngalendlela bese expected bamazambe ngayo yabo. If ube suppose ba sisonge ngoku kuthonga pheliyo ehlonga the skills the knowledge that I've acquired without amajita I don't think babe ndizoba nazo ezo zinto ba mhlambe bebendinawo amajita.
Where is that song?
Baby.
Walilu mama. Walilu mama.
Angal.
Kerara.
Mama.
Kerara.
Make sure that you subscribe on this channel. It helps a lot. Don't forget to watch the ads. Don't skip the ads, guys. It does something on YouTube too. And also like the video. If you like the video, it's gonna go to more suggestions kwezinye YouTube zabanye abantu. And also please comment what's your favorite episode or what do you see in this platform that you love. And also you can press the join button. You get the badge, you get exclusive content and also members only content.
Uzwakala nganeno yangoba ufuna ukuphoswa yilento uzikuphathela okuhle kodwa ngena.
Yabo Danilo mase kwamkele khona yami mase kwamkele mkhulu. Wemani kodwa niyaphila.
Hayi no kuhle wena bhuti wami man. Sicula sizibhexesha, sicova sibhaka. Sibhijele esibhlukhweni, sicopele esikawusini. Siginya sikhohlela ihlo man. Bathi ke sibatya sibaleka sicela umahlathini.
Sichama sifuthulule.
Kunjani ko?
Kuhle bhuti. Khonto zimbi. Anyamezela cha kunceda ukhala. Ndithi mani kwamkela ngendlela esemthethweni njengesidoda. Thina abantu lesiyasithanda isidoda nje ngesile ke sibuza impilo ngendlela enesithozama. Danilo mina ndikwazi ngeligama lika El Nino and sure ilandoza yethu wave yethu iyamothoku El Nino namhlanje abanye bayamazi El Nino. Ngasichophise wena khonmani yamba ngubani El Nino wenza ntoni udume ntoni?
All right. El Nino intwana eyinzalelwane yasegugu lethu manisiyontwana ngoko ndibuxhekwarha ku elethu igama ngumpengesifani nalo ke mina igama lesingesi mina ndingaba abantu bokuqala ukuthiywa kuthiwa akasoza bene middle name ngokuqala kumakhulu wami bizalelwe egugu lethu when I was 7 ndingumntambo uNoveche ngoba inyathelo yadabuka ndingubhonso omkhulu ke mina uhlenza amankonyana kowalo ndingunogxoza njengemvula novathi ibhlokwe ziyamlingana
Oh my God.
ndinguxhenza sigijima nginogosagosa belungu ndibeke ndizalwa ngumamthembu umpafane uthukela ungoza kabawo lo wela umlambo welwa zinkonjane zodwa
Mahle.
sinqa sexheko ke sisengqamakhwe yeka lento ba wachipe lapha eKapa eBongthole kwesikasonjica ndifundile Songeze primary school ndafunda eLuzuko seku higher primary not lando go grade R to grade to grade 1 grade 7 yeah and then ndayafezeka ke ngoku kulapho ke ngoku sayiqala khona yonke lento ye rap ne3 and then ndaphuma apho ke ngoku ndayofunda eCPUT say Cape Tech ke
Okay.
ngela xesha was studying in marketing you know so ndingumntana entombi mna yeah
Mahle khonmani.
yeah
Mahle kakhulu ingaba
Xolile.
sokoliti xolile.
angingongile
Awubona
le
ngome kanjani? Aphume endodeni. Khonmani
Ima when you say lento sayiqala ne 3 months cup kwesa sikolo. No man khawungene kakhulu ba uba niqala kanjani? Kuqala bani? uyidityaniswa ngubani?
Tina like wena bhuti wam, we've always been into this music thing, you know.
Okay.
From being omajayivane, you know, some of us, you know, and to the love for music yakhula, and to like sadibana nezinye classmate nazo zithanda music, and to loba ngeza free periods thina into besiyenza thina besibethi idesika kurechwe siqweba noqweba abanye uyamkhumula ulingisa so bacula ezinye ingoma zabantu and whatnot, and like we got the attention from classmates, you know, like you know, bazofika basisurrounde and you know, and then
Ixolo ngophazamisa wena namaRhotman efunda eklasini eyi-1 ngeso sikhathi okanye?
yeah, mna noma B funda eclassini eyi-1, yeah, because it was my B co-founder, you know, sifunda eclassini eyi-1, and my B is my best friend, you know, like kwekhuleni from primary songeze, you know. I remember uBisto wafika yena bone sesivuliwe isikolo, you know, so since sihlala ingingqini eyi-1, you know, so that's already dabizwa ngumiss, ngiyakhumbula, you know, ifuna nganumber 16A ndandifunda mna kwa-number 1. Lathi yeah man, ulapha so xa sigodukayo funa, you know, so yeah, like from there yeah, Seluzuko, ndikhumbula esi story saseluzuko. Ipisto in guy question paper sajampa cause yena babhale early xa sitshintsha iperiod lawe bathi itshintsha iperiod ke ngoku yena wayekwa-number 13 ndikwa-number 12, so baqale babhala, so ke ngoku siyasikhifta aninyengezele i-question paper. I think zasifunda ugrade, yeah, zasifunda ugrade 7 eluzuko, yeah. Then what happened is njengoba si-exchange le question paper andiyazi uba ngubani le mpimpi le informa le yahamba yoxelela utitsha yo asabizwa kathiwa jongani sasiwa not ku-principal, sasiwa kuye kathiwa Masambe kwakukho yintoni ikwepile kanene, yazi ikwepile Swazi nekwepile, what is it called kanene nge-English?
Ayopitsha ndiyazi.
Man ikwepile man, ikwepile like sometimes abanye bebelifaka iswekile. Fruit man, it's a wild fruit, you know, just a forgot, but iswazi layo kathiwa masolika no beast savile so into salika, so sasifika ke eklasini, and then since besaziwa like as students indlela eziziphatha ngayo, you know, in terms of iskela methi deadlines, assignment asibesingahluphi like besi-active yabona lawe, but my B was more of a sport guy yabo, and I was more mna on choir, drama,
Okay.
you know, choral verses and ne-library yabona lawe. So they were like, okay, I know fayani nina yikho lento niyenzile ngaphinde niyenze lowe. So yeah man, fast forward ke kulento ubusithi basiqale kanjani, it was like a talent search eskela. So bebehamba bexelela phofu besine intercom, yeah at that time. So I remember we were on grade 11, and so bafuna italente, so class na class funeka ikhuphe italente yayo yabo, whether you dance, whether you act, whether uyacula, whether noba indoni le uyenzayo, you know, like, you know. So yeah man, it was nice, big stage, good sound, and I was like, yeah, but fit. Because asibaninzi, you know, like amajita wayithanda le way. You know, sometimes abanye abantu bebe-chase cloud because like okay liswa bebeyithanda le way, so like besifumana i-attention, you know. So even ezi zingamanqina wethu, you know, like you know, beziveske zifune uba yiphathi yale way zingakwazi ukuyenza le way, you know. So like yeah, I was like, yo, Pisto, you've got the singles, bro, like Pago and Fits, you know. I'm thinking of this, that, and the third. Yeah, boy, what do you think? You know, and we had like different names, you know, like Jesus is busy, J Squad, Sapina Satis, like we had options, but like you know, like no man, but cause abona bando ba active abakwazi uyenza le way ndim. No Ayanda, Dunjana and Mazinina. No Mapi. Yabo, I'm okay. You know what? Pisto? Thousand alapit kakabel. Stum. Tudum tum 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 tum.
Take me there.
Athi ikhona isingile mntakwethu ndathi jonga yazi ntoni make sihlale ikhona iwe ngathi ndiyibhalile sifike sibuye sigela shayiwe umek zethu ndiye phaa kuPisto kusePisto mamela lewe bafethu sibizele u-Ayanda uhlala section 3 and then what happened is sihlale ndibasipitela amachita lewe siqale ngekwaito like you know but like kwai hop you know kwai hop yeah you know like kwai hop yeah kwai hop yabo so like ingoma yethu yokuqala it was kwai hop you know besimunci kwaito like yo besimunci kwaito like in a proper manner too, you know. But it was raps more than anything.
Many views so xa usithi uqale ngebilana zangekwaito wena khona yami so ungathi ngubani umuntu onothi no man kuye lo uye wan inspiration kwikwaito ukuze nami ndibe ile artist ngiyiyo namhlanje.
Yeah, kwaito has always been there. Like there's your TKZs, ne? There's your Mdus, there's your Mandozas, you know, there's your Putses, you know, Putses. But I think the first track I have a an inspiration now. I'll just talk about myself.
Okay.
You know, personally, I call them much. I think I try New Testament.
Just telling that now.
Nah, bano khona nyingoma ekuthiwa ngumama wami they featuring uBra Oscar Barona. Mama wami wena mangikhulisha ngokungaka yonke leminyaka akhula ngaba yindoda ngangaka njengenkosi uShaka wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi indlalo ibangolaka lamajita my2 you know so personally it was there but there were this other guy called Snambuzane.
Okay.
Snambuzane. He was like, who's this guy? Kanene lo, I petlisha no. No. Bale out man. Leya ya pugingalo man. Kubale out machita man. Le petlisha yo. Forgot Buffett. Call it out man. Kubani bale out el silams man. It was battle labs URL. That's petlisha nale elder. I think I tell you hip hop
He lost it.
I don't want to lie. I don't want to lie. That's how figure. So like yeah, version yake yesiXhosa. You know, and trust me, like still if was busy kama like ngulins, okay, was part on horror text as well, you know.
Okay.
So yeah, that guy as well. They influenced me, and then I got an opportunity to be mentored by these other elders. One of the first breakdance hip-hop crew eMakasana, kuthiwa Def Machowa. You know, babenengo maybe city, oh, nangumhlola. Hayi wethu puti sundi bamba. Oh, nangumhlola hamba yo. Awe. Kandi sisungamelephi, you know. So dingancabeleni, you know, and then there were likes of your Chronic Clan,
okay,
like ngasekhaya babe ne stand samarasta ngaphaya. So So when they were creating music live, you know, I got a chance ukuba ndihambe ndiyobamamela, you know, because now I was excited as a kid because I've always been inquisitive, you know, curious, you know, and ke ngoku umculo wena mfowethu is very spiritual, yabo. That's number one. Xa kulilwa kuyaculwa, xa kuhlekwa kuyaculwa, xa konwatyiwe kuyaculwa, xa kudlalwa kuyaculwa, naxa usiliwa kuyiwa empini igwatyu. Kaloku kuthiwa laa nto yingoma yoqinisa igwatyu, not ingwatyu, igwatyu xa ibizwa laa nto. Ezimayini xa kunqonqwa phana kuyaculwa. Ewe, estrongweni kuzisele eyona nto lamajita azenze ukuthi mawa azirelaxe angacingi ngeengxaki zakhe ngumculo. So umculo has always been part of my life, you know, like when I king, you know, and ekhaya ngabantu bamasiko nezithethe, so yazi inhlombe, you know, amagqirha, you know, xa ku-initiate umuntu kuyaculwa, you know. So umculo has always been that part, but ke I don't want to digress. So yeah, sayenza la way sa performer. Sasine 3 days.
niyenza laa ngoma.
Yeah, sirehesa. Sayenza and saphuma tops.
Top one.
Top.
Seningenile ko emculweni no Hotman ne and ni busy ke ngoku. Nansi laa nto oza ngubani apha kona wathi no man yabo ngoku sesi-ready and siyaziva sesi-ready. Yintoni nayibonayo phofu ukuze nizibone uba no si-ready ngokuze sihambe siyorekhoda umculo wethu and sizi-busy artist?
Sathi sisiya phana sabe igama likhona, sasingafuni nobe sicinga kakhulu, you know. So I'm like, bafethu nicinga ntoni man, 3 months up man. Kodwa much.
Okay.
Much. Sure, it is what it is. Yeah, much.
And you came with that name, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just confirming it. Mabiba Wanyansin.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no. I came with the name. Like I came with the whole idea, you know. So andizibeki kwinqanabe lengaphaya komnye umuntu, but facts on facts. Yeah. All right. Let's move along. And then I remember now, kuze I thought maybe Lendo zoba temporary, just because it was like a talent search.
Okay.
But I was like, no man, the love that we got there and there, fine. And then now move forward. There was Tiski 99. There was a track, a sports complex. It was called Tiski 99. You know, I forgot the sponsor that was behind that event, but it was the 5-a-sides tournament. But like the way you pick artists, I think I remember Bricks, half brick.
Okay.
You know, some of the Bravo was there, like nezinye artists azigcwele da, you know. So, but there was a freestyle there, you know, like you freestyle, you're gonna get like a t-shirt, you're gonna get a you know. And I went there, and nakhona was forced by Amachita, you know, and Kulana, like say, and I was like, oh, okay. And the sound was so dope. I had to go, man. And then the host was like, bafuna wena zwakala boy. Fika ngangena ngashaywe. I was like, I got Nino. You got this. And then now there's a ukhona where wayisenza all and wise no coriander, you know. So I don't know if you guys know Sugar.
Yeah, Sugar, yes.
Sugar.
Yes.
Elder.
You featured him Moskuna Tsiga.
Bambelela, yeah, Bambelela. And the khona famous song nabone kubanganene la machita. Mzali. Mzali. Yeah. So Sugar is from like Keto Muffin. So and the la machita ucula uhlala nam. Kuyaka Ginger Cobra, but now he's in the States. So yeah, Sugar was the host, Utakila was organizing, Tambo, Ntonton Pageant, yasibona eziveza kudala man, no Miss Waswati, yabona nawe. Yeah, so one of the performers, because Miss Rehesa Utakila Tina, you know. So when they were performed, it was a competition as well. It was sponsored by U-Dance. We born dance most shop clothing. Yeah, dance, yeah. So yeah, went there, we did our own thing. It was a competition.
Okay.
It was a beauty pageant and a competition at the same time. Yeah. Well, so yeah, we won. We won some t-shirts and whatnot. I'm like, yeah, vale, tugu Sugar. If usayikhumbula waye-actor kwenye Uthetha Msawawa.
Oh, Uthetha Msawawa, yeah.
Msawawa,
Yes.
Yeah. So he was acting there. So Sugar, it happened ukuthi the director of Uthetha Msawawa, they were doing like a festival for the first time. It's called like Fire on the Mountain. So ibisenzeka yona eFranshoek. Proper. You get guys from Durban, guys from Jersey, and us from Cape Town. You know, it's just away when you play a resort. Dilibele kama na Jim Foshi, something like that. Kukumlambo lapa. You know, it's proper big stage, you know. You have your likes of your Fit Flow, you have your Archetypes, you have your Blazing Spear from Josie, you have your Groundworks, you have like asiyazi hip hop thina besazi umculo. I-hip hop as a culture besingena background yayo.
Okay.
You know, ukuba there's 4 elements.
It's a hip hop.
Yeah, which is MCing, b-boying, graffiti, and DJing. But now go to the first element, street culture, clothing and stuff. So asiyazi lo way freestyle, asiyazi no ba indoni. To be quite honest. And then there were likes of your TOPs. Yo, of Luxionism.
Wait. I-freestyle uthi awuyazi uba yintoni, but I heard that wena xa ubuya esikele town you were rapping nangento oyibonayo that time.
No, the thing is, kaloku ndithi before that is 201, same 201 siqalayo ukufika egaming. Like, I don't know what hip hop is, dog. And understand ukuthi thina we were more like bensithi thina siqaleza amapantsula. Hence we gravitated towards the kwaito because that's the genre that we could relate to and understand. Yandiva when a king. Hence even our first song was written on top of Ingoma Kakabza.
Kakabelo.
You understand? So ukuthi the culture itself, it was foreign to us. Uyabona wena bhuti wami. So now that's why we opted for kwaito, but the love for the music it's been always there. And that's if I'm making sense.
No, you're making sense.
So now I think Fire on the Mountain for us, it was more like a workshop of being taught ukuthi kanye indoni hip hop. Uyangifela? So, because there, we got to meet OTJs, we got to meet, you know, even Uburasta mna, you know, like any passage cannot dlula ngayo. Yabo, Uburasteni, yabona lawe. And so now spirituality, I was fumani because now the kuleni ngumchechi mna. Yabo, ndiyaxelela ngondiyakholwa.
Yeah.
Yabo undiyakholwa as an Anglican, yabo. Yabo. So zonke ezazicengcelezo neza-restation ndanintswemu ke kwezaweni. Ndisakhumbula i-restation yam yokuqala kwa-sub A. Like usakhumbula xa kuwelwa indlela kusekho aba bantu, I don't know, bavese bamise imoto niwele ningene, yeah, but banxityisiwe.
Yes, I see.
Yebo, because i-rhyme leya xa ndiwela umgaqo nokuba kungebhaqo omama ngabi naxhala kungabikho tyala ndijonga ekunene nasekhohlo kanene
Oh yeah.
xa kukho ezayo into ezibalekayo ndikhawuleze ndilwele kungekho namanwele uyaziva hey 1991
That's a song, bro. That's a song.
you know
It's rhyming. It's rhyming. And it's dope. Like, I mean, like, dope. Yeah, wait, but
In the direction I read about it. Yeah.
akurhayela nje, but
nokuba
message.
ngepaqo umama ngabi naxhala kungabikho natyala ndijonga ekunene nasekhohlo kanene xa kukho ezayo kwiinto ezibalekayo ndikhawuleze ndiwele kungekho namanwele
Yes, yes.
indlela yokufundisa so la way like I was always as much as Eskela again bendiqhwitha ke mna Eskela singakuxalela ne-classmates zam Eskela ngu A1 mna Oy.
Ndimvutana kwi-verses
hayi Eskela ndiyaqhwitha Eskela mna you know and even mna to be quite honest mna I've never went to an interview uqala kwami ispan sam ndathathwa mna e-CPU e-Cape Tech e-CPUT siba yi-3 Yolanda Mathambeka kanti Juba elethu Mbengisi sathathwa ayosipanela sipana pha qha yazi calling i-calling ufuna uyisabelela phone akhona ibhlungu yazi abantu abasezi officeini kwezi cubicles stress abanazo yilando umuntu ufike esipana engachaya inkawuza uchaya inkawuza kaseli hure because mna to be quite honest when I'm a soldier I don't like to live on the edge
Yeah.
like mna ndifuna lento inhliziyo yam ifunayo yabo no matter how long it's going to take but eventually I know victory is imminent yabona la way anytime because yabona when you live like a purposeful life
Okay.
uyigqiba i-assignment yakho naxa ulele ngomqolo pha ulala kamandi yabona ngona ndisipana qoma Thixo kanene ku-Sunday yo xa ikhali alarm veske ndisigqume you know
Bengasungavuki.
yeah king man you know
And then yeah. And then ke ngoku njengoba senimuva ngoni by 3 ngoku nguwe ngumabhi ndilibele kule browser
uRedon.
no le
Okay,
website yes and yena ke ngoku uyeka nini and uyeka njani
okay yeah so what happened is samatriculate again so yena he decided to pursue ezinye i-business and the visa zakhe yabona lawe in the visas yabo so naqomba okay you know what maphi but besisi-grand same siyambona ba lo mjito uyapusha une-saloon wasithengela i-sound because into ebisenzeka phakutakhila uMac ebenayo i-passion yoku-DJya but naye is a multi-talented soul yabo i-Eskela mna bendimomoza Eskela all the time you know yila out ndihambe qha ndiyocheba shaya Eskela yabani uyavula la out isaloon ngokwayo eback at the early age dog yavula yabane sound bangu-DJ kwezi party zonke party yabo so I think uMac mhlawumbe noba mna when I assume noba wabona ba but waza kakuhle ba kusema chance qhubekani man mna I think zawuhamba mna le route yabona lawe yabo and ke ngoku yayingekho into sesizawuyenza nathi because indaba yomculo ayina guarantees mos you know
yeah
and he was doing good he was really doing good so yeah basically kwenzeka lo way and then
ezinye ilantoza wena Hotman zizojoyina njani ezinye crew members
Udla has always been around you know around us you know Udla has always been around he's always ibinochukule uza nescript izoza nescript no besithanda urecitelana scripts nodla Dla sihlala estratweni esi1 mos
okay
yabo so Dla will come and recite his scripts you know recitele njalo and until that's when ipizza zamadoda but uRedono yena seyikhona yabo
okay
so uRedono has always been like
I think he's the first one to join Fodla.
So Redondo is very musical, yabo, because now I've known Redondo besihlala song, but he's more of like
Rasta.
elder wood, yabo. So but besihlala song kwenye indawo kuthiwa kuse shop, yabo, Splome, yabo, umdala kunathi a bit, yabo, in terms of yabo. So but yena, I think into kaRedondo like ngumlonji into yomculo like uRedondo ebecula nekwayari
Okay.
ndifila uba la age emncinci mhlawumbi ngoyena umncinci kwikwayari thetha mna ngelaa xesha kusekho i-old mutual ntontoni kuhanjwa kuyiwa koma-artscape and whatnot kusekho iqavana isivuyile i-Durban Serenades uyazibiza zonke ezikwayari yabo into i-choral music the thing, you know. So he was there, and then and then there was a shelter there by NI7. So Redondo like will recite zonke za tracks zamarasta yabo enqamba kha ile out le hey ndiyancanywa le am envy kha gogo yena uyayibamba nephathwa da, you know, like the Rasta, you know, language and stuff, you know. So yeah, still. And then this other time, so he's like, exam fit. Ndiyafuna man ke ukumamelisa enyewe ikhona enyewe endi right le. Hayi mamelo Redondo. Sure, sibe grand. Next year, sivaya naye. Fire on the mountain. Hayi sibethe. Hayi mocho. Hayi ngoku but yilando yoba akabikho nto esolidifyiyo kuba wena you gonna be part of this crew.
Okay.
Ayi khona ngenye imini mos besihamba siyi-movement even uPlanet Earth the one who produces Phume Cooks, you know, achisa izibane. So Planet Earth like sisonke TOP archetypes besihamba si movement yase-Cooks yabo. Mos ibi-culture yethu ukuthi like siyadropelana i-scripts, you know, if you have something exciting so, yo wethu zwakala kawuzova apha yabo.
Okay.
And nami ndi-excited because nami khona le ntonga yam ndiyifaka emgqubeni qoma xa ufikile zawuthi qinge yam ke ngoku awuzuqubha wedwa. So umntu who liked to do that, TOP, you know, it was him. So TOP like is one of the guys mna uthetha ngam.
Okay.
I think one influencer and certain things like freestyler nalawe basoloko ubhala.
Yeah, he was the best, ne?
Yeah.
Oh, he was a best. TOP.
Yeah. Yabo ne battles disfune TOP. Yeah. You know, like how to battle in you know, zonke za elements bentitha ngazo, you know, like so fika uMadondo kurecite sure yo fika la ndoda leya yo. I remember sasi in front of a postile. Esa story engathi ndibukele
Which one even that? I got the movie. Yo la yo. Yeah.
I think even Namachita, you know, that's when like baya bamnike flowers zakhe. But bafethu it's on man. Ngiba ithu Machita man. Yabo. Hlala noma B. Basiqoma sivaya sonke at the same time.
Why not?
Why not, man? Singingqoni sonke yabona lawe. And then yaba lewe idla gqigqi nayo idla. Ha. Splomile there at Planet Earth Studios, a planetarium, and
Imata before singene kakhulu ePlanet Earth ni 3 months kapho senirelease umculo wenu and
usangena kuyo.
Nizongena ndifuna ukuya kula ndawo ndifuna ukuyazi ba nizongena njani ePlanet Earth kuze nibe sePlanet Earth phakathi nizokwenza njani.
Imani makagqibezele because uyapha yakhona because usasifaka ngudla ke ngoku.
Okay.
And then ke ngoku.
Okay.
Okay, these are breaker down ngolu hlobo madoda.
Okay.
before ndiye kudla
Mm.
ndiyawuthanda lo mbuzo awubuzileyo, you know, because I think naye umchita is giving me guidance ukuthi how to break this down, ukuthi now where Redondo comes in and where Dla comes in, yeah, Fristana wena king. So nyani ke kufika ulungelo apha, yabona ulungelo,
Ulungelo.
ulubhelwana lungelo thanda inyuku.
Okay.
So I'd say, guys, I've got a beat for you. Yabo. Ukho ikhona uRedondo ngoko. Yabo. I think sesiformalizile lewe ba C3 again ngoko. Nyani, we spoke to Digital Analog, Crosby Bolani. He's an engineer, he's an artist, he's a rapper, he's a dancehall artist. So ngamazi Crosby, guys. Now he was part of the Chronic Clan. So I spoke with the Crosby. I think sasigqibo perform asinemali encinci sayisave. So saya ku Crosby, the Crosby okay sure ke masocha man. Bandicela nikhanyise. Yabo. So nizokwazi nani ufunda ukuba like, you know, and then you so nani nikwazi usithatha serious, because I don't understand it, because like that's why like I charge for features kwabanye abantu, because abanye abantu like ingoma zabo badlalela ichomi zabo nefamily zabo namachera abo azirelease izingoma ube wena ixesha lakho amandla wakho ingqondo yakho itransport uyabo ugqiba iways izohlala kwi-computers crash ne-computers. I don't know how many songs mna that I've lost.
That should hurt.
Uyabona lawe ezintswembu kanjani. So nyani ke moving forward, Cross sinezingoma ziyi-3. Actually yayingoma yokuqala.
Yeah.
Yayingu Icho Indo, so we paid for Icho Indo. Sambona ba ujonga uRedondo. Awungenile.
Yo la itsho into lo wale yar.
Bomba ungene kakhulu, hayi siqombe ayenzeka le way. And then this other guy, he was a hip hop fan. It's called Utando Toto.
Okay.
Like he was a photographer. I think he's the, if ungathiwa kwenziwa like right now i-documentary ye-3.
Okay.
I think umjita yena noLulama Mali, they've got like archives for days.
For days. Ngawukwazi usithela kahle story.
So nyani ke we recorded the song, so the guy had the song, and then because he was producing naye ngoku, so wathi kum umjita ba bafethu, I have a beat bafethu man, I will gonna need record, I will pay for the studio time, you know. Yeah, and then we did Kwek Matoda, Saba Grand, and then what else? Yeah, Diadlula ke Paco Crosser Studio, and City Planet Earth was there.
Yeah.
He just produced this beat, Pizza Zamatoda.
Okay.
You know, I'm like, okay, Buddha. Khona umuntu uthi mfethu man, ndisami producer lewe ngo ndithi ngicela izwakalise Buddha uyini Buddha man. Yabo. Ayinyani ke. Kusaku CD, bene nge CD. Diyaskela. Fine boy. Fike ekhaya. Hlale nje. Okay. Dit.
Yeah.
Aye. TV, yeah, Spana, ivesi yami yaSpana. Hey, udla.
Okay.
Yes. Hey. Uzonspitela enye iverse. Dimyeke. Nimspitele le yami. Yo, phambane le ntwana le. Hey. Yo, kenyiwa apha. Yo, mntakwethu. Uze ngamaholo
Zeningxe.
ngubabes odumo.
Ngiyaqhalela.
Yo king, nyani ke sihlale wena bafoza, dikwa Planet Earth apha yebo. Ya sihlale gcwele fake le beat
Yeah.
wa planet Earth le beat leya betten visa amajita ngokuncasa mina yabo because bensitsho siya recitelana mos.
Yeah.
So yo athudlama ibuye le beat
Food.
hayibuye mandichaye saqhuma nambhala lamntana namvuma waxhuma xa isithi ndamkelekile shukushukuma
wamkelekile nyani
Maybe.
sa and I'm like hayi saqala ba hayi akusekobuya ngamva ngoku hayi ke nomadondo ke ngoku kanti naye uphethe yakhe intshiza ngapha so sayenza ipizza zamadoda so basically ipizza zamadoda kuze simrelease you know I think yalikha
Sure.
la 3 track
Okay.
yabo so kulikha kwayo sayiva sendiva kwiwok ezithile ndiva kwi-trance ezithile itsho into ndibava ngapha koma-UCT UWC CPUP
Alipizza
pende
zodwa.
zipizza itsho into ngokwakumadoda you know and I was like kanjani
Yeah.
so unoJuly was like eish bafethu ilikhile le way manje
Because social media zakho nix at that time.
nguMaSpace owayepha and nguMaSpace and enye i-blog before Slicker on Live kwakukho u-Africa's Gateway you know so unoJuly was like bafethu nathi sine why can't we do a battle of Gugulethu so we did like a collaborative project you know so yeah sithi ngoku sisiya koma-Grahamstown umculo uhambile ba umculo uhamba kanjani andiyazi kwakusekwi-V3 mos pha umculo ohamba ngefone mos
Bluetooth.
yeah umculo ovaye ngefone and we're like yo it's a like zange siyithande but it was just like a blessing in disguise you know so but that's when ke ngoku we got to get bookings you know Miss Pentek, Miss Yusi, Miss Banban.
Na flyer hotman ya phesheya. Is it after nikhuphe i-album yini okanye?
No, indaba yeah. It was way after because everything about it release Battle of Cooks volume 1, release volume 2. And then thanks to platform is fine and Hype magazine, you know, like that's where we got to by exposed and we get to know Maya Machita we get to know their music now, but they get to know our music as well, you know. So first go back to the city any platform now it's not you know. Our favorites get there, you know.
Kakhulu,
Our favorites like there were people who like can't wait to see you. And then anyway khona le track dayenza for no Double H but most people they don't know that
When's the track not
asiyazi le
Imbube track Young Nations Double HP Mr. Selvin El Nino F Easy Imbube yayi track ye campaign
Hayibo.
Ngiyacela iproducer uDrastic iproducer ye Cashless Society yeah so I did that as well.
I'm gonna check it out.
I have to.
Double HP he raps there like in Zulu.
Ah.
Yeah, it's
Now I'm more curious ke.
Raps in Zulu. So like
But leyo yenzeka nini because ezishekileyo
209 but yaphuma 2010 because it was a campaign for a World Cup.
but in lelo licho it is konto ezishekileyo because we didn't know how guys you got in Kwi-Nantsika or signed by all that.
Okay, no, kaloku like incoko mostly sedlimbato you know it's not like ba is structured lento kufuneka you know siyancokola yabona lawe so abusithinga nembuzo wakho mntakwethu
Bensithi ungene njani phana kwi-Pioneer
Okay, no, I've known Damien, Planet, through hip hop gigs, hip hop events, and Tala was interested, yabo. Cha, to be quite honest, man said repeats. It look like Kwaito, like proper Kwaito. Panama, Nesliti, Panzula,
Pansula lomlungu.
Sorry. So, umchita. I push, and then back on the project. It's more like a compilation of the artist, Planetary Assault. Right? So, Nyanika, Konitraki to a Tom Bubuza. Where there was Confab, there was Soleil, there was Hamwa, there was Retex, there was Ben Shaba, RIP. There was like, yeah.
Okay.
So, what happened is, he signed Ben, Ben Shaba. But we saw his work ethic, from a Planetary Assault. So like, fuck, the visuals are nice. The level of professionalism is dope. And this guy, he loves what he does. Okay. This is Mbona Merchants. Some Mbona. Just some monetary, And then Sunburn, nice. Cover, nice videos, nice what. And then he signed Ra. And we were part and parcel of a project Kara. We're like, no. Why not? Because Kutala is anyway, So we're like, okay, I know Bafit, man. What do you think? Automachita songa sa let's discuss anyway. Songa sa mga nasati man. Let's just go for it, Bafit. We have nothing to lose.
Puma pamo sikapkili nyo.
Diego Spana, 9 to 5. Ayakumapi uspana 9 to 5. Kungeno studio. Dinkonke like nobody's business. Amachita bekwazi mose ufika pha endlini. 8 o'clock ekuseni.
Eyangqonqa.
Ileyisile ivesi yami. Qonqa ibeat, dayileyisa ivesi yami. Eshane hook. Yeah. Yabona utsotsi yena. Bathi befika amachita ekuseni because besiyitreata like as a 9 to 5 yethu. Yabo. You were officing. Bekrekhodelwa pha kumebhek.
Okay.
Achapless. Bekrekhodam. That's why 60% kaqabukile inyongo. I'm behind the production. Wow. Yeah. And that tikwa because then the production is because like I felt ukuthi ayabantu like ngexesha labo and ke ngelaxesha bengekho producers ezininzi, so funeka ube setshwini, so I decided to go to man, let me just put my whole energy, kule way yabo and yabo. So yeah, man.
But uyifunda njani production?
No, like I was always around planet Earth. I was always around planet Earth. I was always around digital analog. Yeah, I think, yeah, man, it's just to play around, man. I was just playing around, basically, but like, I'm a beautiful man anyway. Yeah. Kamaku, Tsotsi, I Miss Home,
Yo.
Wow.
Bambelela, 2000 and Shine, Splesecha.
Yo.
Khola ngomedi lentana ndikubekele.
Planet Earth. Spumbe Cooks, I will make it.
Yo.
If I'm now Planet Earth, and then you get Umama, it's hype. You get Umama, Street Zam. No Better Tomorrow.
I Miss Home.
Ndim I Miss Home.
Wow.
Iziphi zinyana ngiyilibala la uyandithanda uzimamela too much ke mina. But enough of 3. Can we talk about myself?
Let's go.
We going
Siyakuwe straight.
sizakuwe
Anduyithola break. Anduyithola break.
okay ungayitholi break because okokuqala we said sisaqala i-interview sathi bakhona aba batsha ngoku the new one abantwana abatsha but baziva ingoma ze-3 months no. But I don't know exactly uba ngobani aba and then xa benibona nivela ngaphambi baba more interested and then they go back and check your work and don't and remember the producers and the event organizers zintsha ngokubatsha abantu so bayanika
Iyadinga industry wena
so
mfowethu.
kuyadinga ukuphinde uthi reintroduce yourself uxhaphaka kwizinto ezinjena zaziwe okay because nathi sothuka izinto ezothukayo ngoku mhlawumbe nomuntu uzabomba hayi man lo muntu lona experience man let's work nalo muntu kanti besebenza no double HP ebesebenza kanje na hayi yabo umuntu ebengijongela ngenye indlela mhlawumbe hayi ndiyazi le artist okanye okay masukuphi break ubuye sizogqibezela singene kuwe ke
Singene
Educationally, conversationally.